Hello business owners, small business owners, entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Myself Vinay Tripathi, an internet marketer, copywriter, content creator and CEO of Tripathi Consultancy. In this video, you will going to discover what is a vision statement in business, why is it important and how to prepare a successful business statement. So enjoy this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. A vision statement is an inspirational statement, an idealistic emotional future of your company. Vision represents a human emotions that you want to experience by all people connected to your organization, so your company can make meaningful impact. A vision statement provides you and your employee a sense of direction. That is, after having a vision statement, you have an absolute clarity of where you want to reach, how you and your employees behave in your organization. It also help in decision making. To have vision means to imagine a world that not yet exists and intends to inspire people to make it a reality. Note, a vision statement once written cannot be changed in any circumstances. But if you found that if it not suited your mission, goals, values, you have to change it till you get settled with a vision that suits your mission, goals, values. On a way of creating vision statement, I want to share the vision statement of famous brands so you can refer and create your own. Example number 1. Vision statement of Amazon. Amazon vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company where customer can find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Question you should ask while identifying your vision statement. And the question number 1 is, what ultimate impact do you want that your brand to have on your community, your industry and your world? Question number 2, in what way your brand ultimately interact with your customer and clients? Question number 3, what will the culture of your business look like and how will that play out in your employees' life? Tips you can use to build your vision statement effectively. Tip number 1, project 5 to 10 years while creating vision statement. Point number 2, dream big and focus on success. Point number 3, use the present tense. Point number 4, use clear, concise, jargon-free language while making your vision statement. Point number 5, infuse it with your passion and make it inspiring. Point number 6, align it with your business values and goals. Point number 7, create a plan to communicate your vision statement to your employees. Point number 8, prepare to commit time and resource to the vision you establish. Point number 9, a vision statement should be concise, no longer than a sentence or 2. Point number 10, you can change vision statement only after you had achieved it. In the description box, I have given a link of vision statement worksheet, so you can download it now and refer it while preparing your vision statement. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you.